Hello everybody, today we're going to have a go at making some craters. We're going to create our own craters here in the home. What we need is some plain flour, some cocoa powder and some projectiles, some small balls to simulate our meteorites. So we're going to simulate meteorites crashing into the surface of planets and moons. When you look around our solar system, we see craters everywhere. So we're going to have a go at making our own. The first thing you need to do is put a layer of flour down into your pan. So you want a good centimetre or two of flour within your pan, fairly evenly spread out. You can use a sieve just to get it a little bit finer, and you can also just pour some around the edges as well, so you have different textures of surface. So there we go. You can spread it out. I've got a little tube here that we're going to use a little bit later on to put our projectiles through, but you can just use it to spread out your surface. Now, to get the best view of our impacts, we need to have a contrasting colour. So the best thing to use with your plain flour is cocoa powder. It's nice and dark in colour, and we can have just a nice thin layer over the surface. So you can see very quickly we have an analogue surface very similar to the surface of the moon. So we're going to have a go at launching some projectiles. Here we have got some Maltesers. Let's try that. You can see we have some different materials here. We have some bouncy balls, which make bigger impacts, and we have some small eggs here as well. We can try different heights, and we can try different angles for our impacts. So we can see we've got a nice selection of craters now. And we have a look at this biggest crater here. Very similar to some of the craters on the moon. We can see the ejecta, the material that's been thrown outside the rim of the crater. We can see the rays, those lines. And within the centre we can see the, sometimes you get a raised area, we don't here, but around the edge there we have the crater wall. So